As we start this 25th year of our journey of Rabindranath Tagore International Institute of Cardiac Sciences, it takes me down to the memory lane to the time that we started and we entered onto the premises of this hospital. It was a location where no one had reached earlier, and we never knew as to how we would work here. But as time moved and we moved along with the system, we grew together. As we came here, there was a bunch of us who started working together here, and we all were passionate doing what we wanted to do. We had something to achieve. It was a group of first timers, as I say, who had started to get associated with this organization. And with a very progressive leadership, which held us, mentored us, trained us to do what we were supposed to do, it was a very dedicated group of people who started the journey together. And it's an honor and a privilege for me to be a part of this organization till today. And every day is a learning again here. One of the very important questions which people ask me as well as a lot of other people who are here is how did we spend these 25 years? But we don't know how the time has passed, because every day was a new experience, every day was a new opportunity, every day was a new challenge, and we took it up and we are where we are today. In this journey, when I say a very progressive leadership, we started with a group of nearly 100 people, 100 employees, which were there in the year 2000, which was probably including the doctors as well. We had around 17 to 18 doctors who had joined us in that year. And today we have reached to a number of nearly 2,500 employees, around 1,000 contractual staff, which is something to be proud of, because from the beginning, the way a leadership takes care of its associates has been a very important part of this organization, and that is what we all have inculcated in ourselves. That is the reason probably why so many people are here and are working dedicatedly, passionately, and there is no end to what they want to achieve or they want to do. This team has never stopped amazing us with their dedication and the kind of aspirations they had, and the organization, it gelled with the organization's culture and with the organization's aspirations, probably, as I would say forward. So thank you to each one of you who have been here and have supported us through this journey. And also I would like to mention all the patients who have been a part of this journey, whether it was the senior citizens, whether it was the Parsi communities, which in initial days we were the first and foremost people who started the health checkup programs, and these were the things which we had taken the initiative. The senior citizens have been a part of Rabindranath Tagore since a long time, and there are some of them who are still associated with us since so long. So thank you to each one of them, and it has been a wonderful journey. And we started with the one cath lab, around 120 beds, which were staffing was nearly to about 200, inclusive of the doctors and the contractual staffs. Today we have grown to nearly 2,500 staffs with 1,000 contractual staffs that we are here, and grown into a multi-speciality hospital. So this journey has been a big challenge for not only the organization but also for each and every person who completes these 25 years. And the reason why everyone is here is because of the strength of this leadership, which has taken us forward, which has shown us the path of compassion, empathy for the patients, and how to inculcate into each and every member who joined this community and took the organization forward. We talk about a lot of leadership qualities, about mentoring, about hand-holding, about culture of safety, but this is something which was available in this organization from the time that we joined. Each and every department lead or our leaders were hand-holding us or mentoring us and taking us forward, irrespective of whether it was doctors, whether it was technicians, whether it was the administrative staff. So everyone took to it to ensure that people are comfortable and people are secured. When I talk about a culture of safety, and we it was there from the beginning, because when we even think whether a IC should be available in an organization or not, but there was an IC available in this organization from the time of inception. It was because of the vision of our chairman, Dr. Devi Shetty, who once asked us in the initial days when we had joined the organization, this was nearly 25 years back, as to where we would like to see ourselves after, in future. And we had very short-term thought process at that particular time, because we never thought, or we were not as progressive as he was. And we just had our minor short-term goals that, okay, we want to be like this, or we want to become the head of our department or something. But it was he who said that I want to see you as leading hospitals in future, leading the organization in future. And I think most of us who are here are because of his progressive vision that he had and he inculcated into us. So having said that, each and every person in this group who is completing 25 years on this occasion, it's a salute to their dedication, their unconditional support, their loyalty. And it has been my privilege to be working with such a self-disciplined, dedicated and a loyal team with which we have moved forwards. And also, I would like to thank all the associates, doctors, technicians, support staffs of the organization for supporting us and for supporting me especially in completion of my 25 years wonderfully in this organization. Thank you so much. So let us celebrate today and be hopeful for tomorrow. Thank you.